Yes, good boy. Walking through Walmart. We've just been to the dog park, so he's tired. He's chill. Walking by. Food. Sit. Sit. Leave the head paw alone. Sit. Laying down while I do my thing. Leave it. Leave it. I know it's a head collar. Walking by the dog food and all the. Leave it. Leave it. The dog treats. Leave it. Leave it. Sit. Down. Yes. Good boy. Let's go. Stay. Here. Yes, good boy. This is our first try of the shopping cart. Heel. You're trying hard. Don't. Heel. Good heel, Levi. Good job. See, he's not scared of the cart. He's heeling next to it really good. Wait. Yes, good boy. Heel. Yes, good boy. That's a good boy. Good boy. Good job.